for Regal Studios. Like, ano po yung naging initial feelings nyo when you heard po na mag-film kayo ng another episode for this?
Siyempre, masaya po. I think kami namang mga actors, yung puhunan talaga namin is iwala at saka chance. Mabigyan po ng mga chance. And thankful and grateful ako na sabi nila, suki na po ako dito. So, thank you po dahil naging isa pa dun sa mga suki na yun. At least, marami rin po ako natimit na iba't ibang mga actors na nakakatrabaho ko, mga director, mga filmmakers, mga kasama po sa production po ng programa. So, yun, very thankful po na hanggang sa season po na ito ay kasama pa rin ako. Again, thank you very much. Very good.
Another question naman, how does it feel like working po with Sir Juan? So first time niyo po ba mag-work? And ano po yung naging dynamics niyo in terms of working together?
Ako, ano nga eh. Nalungkot ako, joke lang. Hindi! Hindi, nag-work na kami ni Juancho. Actually, yung first ever title role ko with GMA was with Juancho. Siya yung kapartner ko doon. So, I think, hindi ko na kailangan mag-build pa ng like, a certain level of relationship with Juancho. Maayos siya makatrabaho, marunong siya makisama, at saka, ano ba? I think I've seen so many things. I've seen so many things working with Juancho. So very comfortable.
Yun lang po. Thank you so much po.
Thank you so much, Miss Jessica. Next up is Miss Carissa Alcantara of Manila Bay.
Hello, good afternoon. First of all, congrats on the 9 episode. My question is for Sir Juancho. It was mentioned earlier na first time on joining this match. Ano yung nagpa-oo sa mga join this? And second question is, how was it ulit on the episode?
Well, it's not my first time working with Regal. I did a movie with Regal. I don't know if it's the Mr. And everybody remembers this. Pero yung movie Wild and Free, mga 2017 yata yung sila daring sa akin. But for this series, it's yes, first time ko. Working with, ako na nagpa-oo sa akin, parang it's very interesting. And honestly, scheduled, diba, it predicted. What else? The concept is something that intrigues me. Working with Ara, actually, kanina ko lang nalaman na si Ara yung kawork ko dito. Nagkaroon ako ng sigh of relief, katulad sinabi ni Ara na syempre we worked with each other before and it's not gonna be as hard to get along with someone you work with already. So that's gonna be quite easy and syempre for us actors, yung chemistry na yun, yung yung nagtatranslate sa screen. So, syempre, yung gusto namin maganda yung product. And I think that's something that maybe check in with the
Thank you.